After attack on Raghuram Rajan, BJP MP Subramanian Swamy has now trained his guns on Delhi's CM and LG. So now we have Pragya with us to tell us more about this. Pragya, so what did he say?
On Lieutenant Governor, he has strong objection as to why he has not asked CM about the proof of the allegation he has levelled against BJP MP Mahesh Giri about his involvement in Khan's murder case. So he is saying that LG is working on behalf of Congress and he is making rounds to house of Ahmed Patel every evening. So he is taking guidance from Congress. So as far as Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal is concerned, Subramanian Swamy believes that he has gone too far this time. He believes that he has been making baseless allegations against BJP leaders, but making a charge as grave as involvement in a murder is too much this time, and that too against a sitting MP of BJP. So he said that after now doing away with Rajan's tenure and Rajan's issue, he will focus all his energy on LG and CM.
He also threatened to disclose documents on Kejriwal's educational background. Can you tell us more about this?
In today's speech, he made it very clear that now after Rajan, he will focus all his energy on Arvind Kejriwal. He briefly hinted that he has certain documents related to the admission of CM in IIT. He said he was going to have a presser about this, but was very busy because of Rajan's case, and now that he has all the time in the world, he'll go after the CM.
Can you put in perspective the strike by BJP MP Giri?
This strike started because of Arvind Kejriwal allegation against Mahesh Giri of his involvement in Khan's murder case. That was because of a reference letter from him to the hotelier who is a prime suspect in the case. Now he is seeking an apology and saying that CM should come out with the evidence if he has levelled any allegation against him. Also, I think the BJP senior leaders like Kailash Vijayvargiya has hinted today that he may call off the strike if someone senior to CM, which is LG or Home Minister, give him a clear chit in the case.
Thank you, Pragya, and thanks for watching.